To ensure quality, mustard seeds need to be pure with low moisture content and aflatoxin levels. They should also have a uniform size, shape, and color, and a high oil content with a desirable fatty acid profile. These quality parameters can be accurately assessed through laboratory testing. Oil content and fatty acid profile. Mustard seeds are a rich source of oil, with yellow mustard seeds having a higher oil content than black mustard seeds. The average oil content of mustard seeds is 40%, with the ideal oil content being 42%. The oil extracted from mustard seeds should have a desirable fatty acid profile, with a high proportion of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids and a low proportion of saturated fatty acids. Moisture content and aflatoxin levels. Mustard seeds should have low moisture content, ideally below 8%. Any moisture content above 8.6% can lead to spoilage, fungal growth, and aflatoxin contamination. In India, the maximum permissible limit for aflatoxin levels in mustard seeds is 30 parts per billion, ppb. Purity. Mustard seeds should be free from any impurities, adulteration, or foreign materials. To ensure purity, farmers need to use high-quality seeds, maintain proper hygiene during cultivation and harvest, and store the seeds correctly. The desirable purity level is 99%. Size, shape, and color. Mustard seeds should have a uniform size, shape, and color. Black mustard seeds are round and have a dark color, while yellow mustard seeds are small and have a pale color. Any variation in size, shape, or color can indicate poor quality. The size of the mustard seeds can vary between 1.5 to 3 mm, depending on the variety. In the next module, you would learn how to schedule this service on the Kisanik mobile app.